Cesar Almeida will be fighting Dylan Budka, and Dylan Budka's got a lot of experience. I mean, let's be honest. 7-0, pretty much experienced fighter, only 24 years of age, but he fought everywhere. He's got wrestling pedigree, wrestling background, 6'0", 75 inches of reach. If he takes you down, you're pretty much fucked up. It's so hard to get up when this guy puts you on your back, and he is also a good striker, but Cesar Cezinha Almeida is a knockout artist, 6'1", 74 inches of reach, out of Sao Paulo, Brazil. This guy competed in kickboxing. Yes, he lost to Alex Pereira on multiple occasions, but he also defeated Alex Pereira. So I'm telling you, this guy has brutally good striking. Budka will have to shoot in for his dear life. Yeah, he will have to shoot in for his dear life because this guy is going to put you to sleep if you don't pay attention. I hope Cesar Almeida has to keep the fight standing. I'm gonna say the fight will not go the distance. I'd say Almeida KO or Dylan Budka KO TKO on the ground. Like, it really depends on how this fight develops. Almeida is a heck of a striker. Budka is better on the ground. Let's see.